Welcome to one and all. Till now we have studied about how to find out HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So now we will solve practice set 14. First question given. Choose the right option. The HCF of 120 and 150 is. The four options are given 30, 45, 20, 120. Let us find quickly. So 120, 150. Okay, 260s and 275s. Then both are divisible by 5, 5 12s and 5 15s. Again both are divisible by 3, 3 4s and 3 5s. 4 and 5 again now. So what is the HCF? Is equal to 2 into 5 into 3, that is 2 5s are 10 into 3, that is 30. So the HCF of 120 and 150 is 30. The HCF of this second, in that second one, the HCF of this pair of number is not 1. Means the HCF should not be 1. See, if you see 13 and 17, they are the pair of co-primes number. So we will get here HCF equal to 1. Why? Because they are pair of co-primes. Okay. If you see 29 and 20, again both are not divisible by the same number. So here again the HCF will be 1. Okay. If you see here, both are divisible. Okay. Okay. So here we got 2 20s are, 2 10s are, again 2 10s are, 2 5s are, and again 5 2s are and 5 1s are. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Here we got what? 20. So which is the answer? This is the answer. This pair. Okay. Now 14 and 15. Here we will get the HCF is equal to 1 because they are the consecutive numbers. Now next question. Find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. Already you can see that 14 and 28, they are multiples of each other. So HCF will be 14 and 28 is divisible by 14. So LCM will be 28. This is the method to find when the multiples are when the numbers are multiples of each other. Anyway, quickly we'll find the HCF 14, 28. So we will go for 2 7s, 2 14s, and again 7 1s, 7 2s. So HCF is equal to 2 into 7, that is, and LCM common factor into non-common factor, that is 2 into 7 into 2. So 14 2s are, that is 28. So we got HCF 14 and LCM 28. But remember this, when the numbers are multiples of each other, then the 14 smallest number is your HCF and biggest number is your LCM. Or other method, 28 is divisible by 14 other number. When the number is divisible by another number, the biggest number, that number is the LCM. Now next we will see here, here HCF will be 16 and LCM will be 32. 16 2s are 32. So then also we will do quickly. This is the method to find orally. Okay, so we will do, but here 2 16s are, 2 8s are, then 2 8s are, 2 4s are, then 2 4s are, 2 2s are, again 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So what is the HCF? Common factor. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And LCM, common factor into non-common factor. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and here 1 2 is there. So that also we will take. So we got 16 into 2. Already we got till here 16, 16 2s are, that is 32. So orally also, when the numbers are multiples of each other, the smallest is your LCM and biggest is your HCF. So here we got HCF 16 and LCM 32. We will go for the next. That number is given 1702 and 170. So we will do quickly. 17, 102 and 170. If you will see here, all are divisible by 17, because 3 not, and 5 it will be not, 7 also not. Okay, so directly we will go for 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 6 are 102 and 17 tens are 170. Okay, so here HCF is 70. And for LCM we will go, this is our HCF. For LCM we will continue this. So again quickly we will do. Here also you can do quickly, but I am showing here. So 17 ones are 17, 17 6 are 102, 17 tens are, then both are divisible are 2, 2 ones are, 2 threes are, and 2 fives are. Here again these both are not divisible by the same number. So LCM is equal to 17 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Sorry, multiplication. Okay, 17 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 17 2s 34 into 3 5s are 50. Sorry, 17 2s are 24. Okay, so 17 2s are 34 into 15, by mistake I have written here. Okay, so 34 into 15 you will do, you will get the answer. Quickly you do 34 into 15. So we got 510. Okay, 17 2s are 34. The number is not visible. Next we will go. Next number is given 23 and 69. So 23 and 69. If you see 23 3s are 69. Okay, so here we can go directly also, or 23 is the prime number. So 23 ones are 23 threes are. So HCF is equal to 23 and LCM is equal to 23 into 3, that is 69. See here 23 threes are, so smallest, they are the multiples of each other. So smallest is 23 and biggest is 69. So HCF is 23 and biggest is the 69, that is your LCM. Okay. Now next it is given 21, 49, 84. Okay, so if you see, these numbers are all divisible by 7. 21, 49, 84. So 7 threes are, 7 sevens are, and 7 12s are, 12 sevens are 84. Now again 3, 7, 12. So HCF we got here, HCF we got 7, common factor. Okay, now for LCM we will do. for LCM, we will again do the division. 21, 49, 84. So 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 12. Then again, if you see 3 and 12, again it is divisible. Okay, so we will go for 3. 3 1s are 3, 7 as it is you carry down, and 3 4s are 12. Now 7 and 4 again not divisible by the same number. So LCM is equal to 7 into 3 into 7 into 4. Common factor means whatever common into the remaining factors you have to do. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So 21 into 28 you multiply. Okay, quickly I am doing in the rough work. So you will get 588. Okay, next we will move for next question is given, find LCM. So here we have done HCF and LCM both. So remember, HCF we are doing the product of common factor, and LCM common factor into what is the remaining factor. Okay, and when the numbers are multiples of each other, we have to do smallest is your HCF and biggest is your LCM. That is the shortcut method to remember when the numbers are multiples of each other. Now next we will go for find the LCM question given. So quickly we will do 36 and 42. It is given, both are divisible by 2. So 2 18s are and 2 and 2 1s. Again, and 18 and 21, they are divisible by 3. 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. Now 6 and 7 again not divisible by the same number. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So 6 into 42 we will do. 6 2s are 12, 1 carried over. 6 4s are 24, 25. So your LCM is 252. Next is in given 15, 25, 30. Okay, so we will go for LCM. Quickly we will do 15, 25, 30. All are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, and 5 6 are 30. Okay, now if you see 3 5 6, 3 again divisible. 3 and 6 means both are divisible by the same number. So 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is you carry down, and 3 2s are 6. Okay, now LCM we will do. So LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 5 into 2. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So 15 10s are 150. So now next question it is given. 18, 42 and 48. Okay, so let us do 18, 42, 48. So all are divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 21, and here 2 2s are 4, 2. Again, if you will see 9, 21 and 24, all are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and 3 8s are 24. Now 3 7 8, they are further not divisible by the same number. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 8. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and these 3 I have done, and 7 8s are, that is 56. Okay. So you got multiply and see, you will get 1008. Let us okay. Now next we will do, the number is given 4, 12, 20. Quickly we will do. So all are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and 2 10s are, again it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. Further, if you see, these all are not divisible by 3 and 5 are further not divisible. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That is 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. So you know 15 4s are 60. So LCM is 60. Now next we will go fifth one. Fifth one number is given 21, 14. Yes, it is given 24, 40, 80 and 120. So quickly we will do 24, 40, 80 and 120. Okay. So all are divisible by 2. 2 12s are, 2 20s are, 2 40s are, and 2 60s are. Again all are divisible by 2. 2 6s are, 2 10s are, 2 20s are, and 2 30s are. Again all are divisible by 2. So 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 2 10s are, and 2 15s are. Okay. Now if you see, these three are divisible by 5. So we will go for 5. So 3 carry as it is. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are. Now if you see again, both are divisible by 3. 3 are divisible by 3. So again we will proceed. So 3 1s are, 1 carry, 2 as it is you carry, and 3. Okay. Now 2 3 further not divisible. So LCM is equal to 3 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Okay, till here I have done multiple. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay. Sorry, by mistake. Here 3 1s are 3. By mistake I have written. Okay. Here 3 1s are 3. So how many 2 we got? 1 2 3. Then 5 into 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, and 3 2s are 6. Okay. So 6 4s are, so your LCM is 240. Okay. Next we will go. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. See, smallest means lowest common multiple. So here smallest means we are to find the LCM. So we will find LCM of the given numbers. Okay. So numbers are, we will write here 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 together we will. So 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. So if you see here, all are, first we will go for 2. 15 it is not divisible by 2, but rest all numbers are divisible by 2. So we will go for 2. 2 4s are 8, and 9 also not divisible. So 9 as it is you carry down. 2 5s are 10. 15 as it is you carry down, and 2 10s are 20. Among this again, if you see 4 and 10, again it is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is carry down, 5 as it is you carry down, 15 also you carry as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now if you see 5, now if you see here 5, 15 and 5, these three numbers, 5, 15 and 5 we will do. So all these are divisible by all three are divisible by 5. So we will go for that. So 2 as it is you carry down, 9 as it is carry down, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now next number, if you see again, this is divisible by 3. So we will do with 3. 2 as it is you carry down, 3 3s are 9, 3 1, see 1 means already over, so write down like that, 3 1s are, and here 1. Now 2 and 3 further not divisible by any other number, so we will leave it as it is. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay, so we will do the LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 3 numbers I have done here. Okay, this we will do. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, so 18 2s are 36 and put 1 0. So smallest number we got what? 360. So LCM we got 360. What it is said, after means smallest number when we divided by this, so smallest number we got 360 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So what is the number? So here remainder is given what? 5. Okay, therefore number will be LCM plus 5, that is 360 plus 5, that is 365. Okay, for example, you divide and see 365 with 8, you will get remainder 5. When you are dividing 365 by 9, you will get the remainder 5. Again 365 divided by 10, again you will get the remainder 5. So what is the answer? Therefore the number is 365. Next we will go, it is given reduce the fractions to the lowest form. Question number 5. So first one, it is given 348 by 319. So what we will do, we will go for the division method. So quickly we will get the answer. So biggest number is 348 and smallest is 319. So ones are 319. So when you are subtracting, you are getting 29. What is the previous, which is the previous divisor? 319. So divide 319. Now 29. If you are dividing, you will get 11. Okay, find out. Okay, so here we got the HCF. HCF we got. It is not asked, but it is very easy to find out the fraction into simple. Therefore 348 by 319, you will what you can divide it, 348 by 319, both divided by 29. Okay, so you will get what fraction after dividing 12 by 11. Okay, so that is equal to 12 by 11. Now next it is given 221 by 247. Again we will go for the division method, which is very easy to convert into simplest. So biggest number is 247. You will divide with 221. So ones are 221. So you will get 26. Then previous divisor is what? 221. So that we will do. So 26 8s are 208. So you will get the remainder 8, 9, 30. So previous divisor is what? 26. So 13 2s are 26. Okay. So here we got HCF is equal to, this is your HCF 13. So 221 by 247, when 221 divided by 247 with 13, and this 221 by 247 both are divided by 30, you will get the answer 17 by 19. Okay. Now next we will go third one. It is given 437 by 551. Okay, so again we will go for division method. Biggest number is 551, smallest is 437. So ones are 437. Okay, so remainder is 114. Again, what is the previous divisor? 437. So 3s are 342. So you will get 595. Again, what is the previous divisor? 114. Okay, so ones are 95. So the remainder will be 90. Okay, now previous divisor is 95. So you know 19 5s are 95. So here HCF we got 19. Therefore simplest form 437 by 551 you can divide with 19. So after dividing with 19, you will get the answer 23 by 29. Or you can do this method also. Prime factorization you do. Okay, for example, I am showing here. That is also very easy. Okay, so you know this number is divisible by 19. Okay, 23s are, and you know 23 ones are. Next, if you are taking 551, again it is divisible by 19. 19 29s are, and 29 itself is a prime number. Okay, so you got common factor 19. Okay, so 19, that is HCF. So how you can do 437 by 551? You got prime factorization, so you got 19 into 23 and 19 into 29. And 99 19 cancelled, so you got 23 by 29. In this way also you can find. Separately you do, and what prime factorization what you got, write down, and what get cancelled, divide. So you will get the fraction 23 into 29. Again it is not divisible, so it is in the reduced form. Next question, it is given the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72. So here, as I am reading the question here, LCM is the first, so first number is LCM is 432 and HCF is equal to what it is given, 72. See, the LCM and HCF of the two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 206, what is the, so first number we will write, first number it is given what, 216. Then second number is what, second number is what, okay. So you know, yesterday we have done that HCF into LCM is equal to product of given numbers, okay. So let the other number be x, okay. Therefore you know, HCF we are having 72 and LCM we are having 432 is equal to product of two number. One is given 216 and other we don't know, so we will take x, okay. So do the multiplication here. 432 into 72, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 7 2s are 14, 1 carried over, 7 3s are 21, 22, 2 carried over, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. So addition you do, 4, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you got 31104. Okay. So 31104 is equal to 216 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 31104 divided by 216. Okay. So divide it here. I am not having the space. So I am dividing separately. After dividing, I will get 144. Therefore, another number is 144. Okay. So now next question it is given. The product of two digit number is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? Okay, so again here two digit number product is given, means given numbers. That means what is given, product of given numbers is given 765. HCF also given 3. Then what is LCM? Okay. Therefore, we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of given numbers. So HCF what it is given, 3 into LCM I am writing. Okay, LCM and product of given number 765. So LCM, since it is multiplication, so it will be divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1 6, 3 5s are 15, 1 3 3 5s are 15. So LCM we got 255. Therefore LCM is equal to 255. This is the answer. Now next question. A trader has 3 bundles of string, 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. What is the greatest? Greatest means highest common factor. Okay, this we will find HCF. Okay, so greatest means we will find HCF. Okay, length of the string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover, means after dividing, means we will not get any leftover. So the numbers given are, so here we will write the lengths of string given are, what are the, we will write 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter. Okay, these are the lengths given. So greatest means HCF. So we will find HCF. Okay, so 392, 308 and then 490. So we will divide with which unit place. 280 is to 2, 2 ones are 2, 19, 2 nines are 18, 112. So 2 6 are 2 ones are 2, 110, 2 fives are 15, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 110, 2 fives are. Okay. Now again if you will see 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 16 not divisible by 3. Then next comes 5, 5 is not divisible. Then we will go for 7, 7 let us see, 7 2s are 14, yeah 56 remaining, so it is 7, yeah, then yeah 7, so 7, 7 2s are 14, so 8s are 16, 7 2s are 14, 1 14, so 7 2s are 14, then again 7 3s are 21, 35, 7 5s are 35. If you see 28, 22, 35, highest common factor is, so again these three are not divisible. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 meter. Okay. So, therefore, the greatest length of a string that can be cut into bundles without leftover is equal to 14 meters. Okay. Now next question we will go. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Two consecutive even numbers. So two consecutive even number means HCF will be, see, we know that two consecutive numbers HCF is 2. Okay, so here we got the HCF 2 because the two consecutive numbers has the HCF 2. If they are two consecutive odd numbers, then HCF will be 1. And here LCM is given 180. So we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of given numbers. Product of given numbers. Okay. So here we got HCF 2 and LCM is given 180. And product of given numbers, we will find out product of given numbers. Okay. So 2 into 180 we will get 360. 360 is what? Product of given numbers. So that is, we have to find out which two number the product is 360. If you see consecutive even numbers, okay, so we will find out two consecutive even numbers. The numbers we will take from so we will take the numbers, consecutive numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. So see quickly 18 twos are 36 and this. So this pair after multiplying 18 into 20 we will get 360. So 360 is equal to what? 20 18 into 20 because two consecutive even numbers. Okay. Even numbers I have written here. Okay, so consecutive evens are these. So product of 18 and 20 we will get 360. Therefore numbers are 18 and 20. So here we have finished problem set 14. Next lesson we will continue in next class.